Welcome back to Just the Chords. Today we're going to look at My Boy Only Breaks His Favorite Toys by Taylor Swift. This song has 6 chords. We'll look at those first individually. Then we'll look at the patterns that we use them in for the verse, the chorus, outro, etc. And then we'll look at the song as a whole tutorial. Let's get to it. We start the song on an F major. F, A, C. F major, we love that. We then go to an A minor, A, C, E is our A minor chord, A, C, E. An E minor chord, E, G, B. And that's all we need for the verse, those 3. In the pre-chorus, we're going to add a G major, G, B, D, and also bring that into the chorus, G major, G, B, D. The last chord we need is not until the outro. We're going to throw a D minor in the mix. D, F, A. Our D minor, D, F, A. Just for the outro. We change keys a little bit. Let's check out these patterns. In the verse, like I said, we start on an F. We then go to an A minor. Then to an E minor. And then back to an F. Let's try that in rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3. Again. F starts and ends it. A minor. E minor. F. Pre-chorus starts on F. Goes up to G. That's it for the pre-chorus. Pre-chorus is always just one line, one chord of F. But you should have seen him when he G got me. On to the chorus. Chorus again starts on F. F chords. But then we go to a C chord. Yes. C chord, C, E, G. Down to that G. And then our E minor again. Let's try that in rhythm. For the chorus, we go F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor. Again, it's F, I'm queen. The sandcastles he destroys. There's that G and E minor. Oh. It goes on a few more times. All right, we got our verse, our pre-chorus, our chorus. Lastly, the outro is going to do something a little different. At the outro, we use that D minor chord in our C, G, D minor, F pattern. So start on a C, 2, 3, 4. Go to G, 2, 3. Now D minor. There it is. Then the F. Again, it's G. Go through any of those patterns and chords again, and then let's go on to the full song tutorial. The voices start right in on F. My left hand's going to play some roots, just the names of the chords. If it's an F chord, I play an F root. Here we go. Oh, here we go. F, 2, 3, 4. A minor, E minor, F, repeats F, A minor. Chorus. My boy, C only breaks his favorite G. E minor, repeat F. E minor, oh, doesn't fit too right. C, should have known it was a minor C. this pattern going this time. Once I fix me, it's gonna miss me. Once I fix me, G is gonna outro. C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3. Here comes the D minor. F, again it's C, G, D, F, C, G, torture on, F, C, one more time, G, D, na, and on C. Go through any of that again. Practice makes better. And then join me on the next video. Play on.